In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a custom text animation in Wix Studio step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Custom text animations are a great way to make your website look more professional, more engaging, and more modern, especially for landing pages, hero sections, and call to action areas. If you're building a Wix website in 2026 and want your text to stand out without using code, this tutorial is for you. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix and website tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your browser and navigate to Wix Studio. Make sure you're logged into the Wix account where your website is located. Once Wix Studio loads, open the site you want to work on or create a new site if you're starting fresh. You should now be inside the Wix Studio editor, where you can see your page layout and all your design elements. Next, we're going to add a text element to the page. On the left-hand side, click on the Add Elements button. From the Elements menu, choose Text. You'll see different text options like headings, titles, and paragraphs. Select a text style that fits your design and then click to add it to your page. Once the text appears on the canvas, you can drag it into position and type in the text you want to animate. Now that your text is on the page, go ahead and click directly on the text to select it. When the text is selected, you'll see a toolbar and settings panel appear. This is where you can customize the font, size, color, spacing, and alignment. Take a moment to style your text the way you want before adding animation, because the animation will look better when the design is already finalized. Once your text is selected and styled, it's time to add the animation. With the text still selected, look for the Animations and Effects option in the Settings panel. Click on it to open the animation options. Here, Wix Studio gives you several animation presets, including entrance animations, hover effects, and scroll-based animations. To create a custom text animation, start by choosing an entrance animation. You can preview different animations by hovering over them, such as fade in, slide, reveal, or bounce. Select the animation that best matches your website style. After selecting an animation, customize it further by adjusting the duration, delay, and direction. For example, you can make the text animate in slowly for a smooth effect or faster for a more dynamic feel. You can also combine animations by adding scroll effects, so the text animates when users scroll to that section of the page. This makes your site feel interactive and modern. Once you're happy with the animation settings, click outside the text to apply the changes. Make sure to preview your site using the preview button to see how the animation looks in real time. If it feels too fast or too slow, go back and fine-tune the animation settings until it looks just right. Finally, save your changes and publish your site when you're ready. And that's it. You successfully created a custom text animation in Wix Studio without writing a single line of code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.